Hello! Today is 19th March 2021, Friday is 12:38 a.m. So late, I know, right? But I know lah, so many of you are also doing your assignment so late at this hour, right? We're all in the same boat together. Yeah, anyway, how are you doing? I hope you're coping well. I know lah, now it's mid-semester, week 9 already. Wow, so the workload is increasing. I know many of you are stressing out and stuff like that. This week, so many sleep-deprived people, so many of you so sleep-deprived come and talk to me. So I totally understand. It's not easy. So come, we shoulder, soldier on. We keep going. Anyway, I just want to say, first of all, thank you for all the feedback. It has been very, very useful. Okay. I do want to say thank you so much. I'm very, very heartened that so many of you are enjoying the course. I'm very heartened that so many of you are learning. Okay. You really feel that you're learning important skills, and that makes me so happy. And I just want to say that of all the cohorts that I've taught, I really, really love your cohort so much, because why? I've never had a cohort where so many of you are so keen, so eager to learn. I know lah, the helpline is flooded, my Telegram is flooded. I am tired, but I am very, very motivated. I am drawing my energy from your energy. The fact that you are enthusiastic, wanting to learn, that makes me so happy. Yeah. So I just want to say thank you, and it really motivates me. I see how much you want to learn. It really motivates me to work harder for you all also. That's why I'm doing all these additional videos. Actually, I don't have to do all these videos. I can just shake my leg. Week 9, just do nothing. But no, you are keen to learn. I am very keen to help you learn better. Okay. So that's why I'm doing all this now. Even though I'm very heartened by all this feedback, there is one thing that really breaks my heart. It makes me very, very sad. It's because why? You remember question 1 I asked, how are you doing? So many of you have been sharing with me how you feel, how you really, really feel. And yeah, I can really relate because don't forget, I used to be a student too, right? I used to be an undergrad. I totally can relate with so many of the struggles that you go through. And yeah, I know years have passed, but things have some things still remain the same, right? Same, but different. So I understand the struggle. So what I want to do now is I want to just share some of the feedback that some of the things that students say, because I want you to know that you are not alone in your struggle. Okay, in fact, all the things that you said is a very universal university student experience. And I just want you, so don't feel that you're struggling alone, that you're terrible, that you're bad or anything like that. I think it's part and parcel of there's something about university that makes us doubt ourselves even more. All right, before that, like JC, I'm okay. Come to uni suddenly, I'm like, oh, am I okay? Right? Oh, right. Then I graduate, I'm okay again. I come back and do my masters. Again, I'm doubting myself like crazy. Something about university is all about self-doubt, but self-doubt is really the path to becoming improving yourself, like if you don't doubt yourself, then you will never take steps to improve. So that is the weird thing that we're caught in, now. So okay, what are the things that people are saying so that you're not alone with your struggles? I want you to know this. For example, one student said, oh, to be honest, the mid-sem fatigue is starting to catch up on me. Okay, this one I can really relate. Even though I'm not a student, I'm not teaching you all, right? I also can feel the mid-sem fatigue. Zoom fatigue is a thing. Oh my gosh, right? Like some of you say, oh, I feel so tired because of my Zoom lectures and Zoom tutorial. Yeah, it's not natural. I also suffer from Zoom fatigue. After every meeting, or even if I see a student for consult, really Zoom saps all the energy out of me. I need to go and lie down on my sofa for at least half an hour or 1 hour just to decompress. Why? Because you if you're talking to people over Zoom, what happens? The only stimulation is what? The audio, your ears, and the picture, the person, and more than half the time when you're talking to people on Zoom, what are they? Like that, right? So boring, right? There's no stimulation, so it requires a great deal of mental energy just to concentrate on that boring person talk to you, right? So it's a real thing. Zoom fatigue is real, right? That's why it's very important. Take regular breaks, drink lots of water, go and sleep. That's the most important. Coming from the guy who's not talking to you, recording this at 12 a.m. But no, this is important. Anyway, okay, next comment. I'm finishing all my assignments on time, which is okay, but at the same time, I feel like everything I do is substandard and mediocre. Another student said, sometimes I feel I'm not good enough as my peers. Totally, I can relate with you. Where it was a student, everybody around me also feels like doing better than me. right? But I want to say this, in university, you're surrounded by great people. And I'm not just talking about the lecturers and the professors. You surrounded by great people. You are great people, right? Because you made it to NUS. It's not an easy feat, okay? But you made it, right? And we are all great in our own different ways. Some are fantastic at writing excellent papers. Some are great at talking. Some are great at thinking. So it's very easy for us to always only notice people's positive traits, and then we do this thing to ourselves, where we always think ourselves as the worst. Oh, this actually your work is good. Then you look at it, oh, it's terrible, right? But don't do this to yourself, lah. I used to do this to myself also, lah. Yeah. Then I learned this thing from my friend, which I want to share with you. I think it's very helpful. Never, or don't say to yourself what you will never say to your good friend, right? You will never tell your good friend, oh, your work sucks, your work is not good enough. No, right? You will encourage your friend. So just as how you encourage your friend, encourage yourself, lah. Be kind, be forgiving to yourself, because we are always our harshest critic. Like you can do fantastic stuff, but you will always look at it and you will always look terrible. It's I don't know. You want to call it fact of life? Fact of life. Even now, when I look at my work, it looks terrible. Okay. So we are always the worst judge of our own work. Okay. So yeah, be aware of this, lah. And yeah, we're surrounded by great people in university. So it's always easy to feel very small. I also feel very, very small. In my department, I look at the people around me, I feel very small because they've accomplished so many great things. As a student, also same thing, lah. But it's very important, lah. Recognize what you're good at, what you enjoy doing. That's more important. Okay, next comment. I am extremely sleep deprived this semester. I know. This week, so many of you sleep deprived people have been consulting me. And yeah, and I also am very sleep deprived as a student, lah. So I totally understand. There's this temptation to say, oh no, if I don't finish now, how can? And then of course, some of we like to give ourselves insomnia also, right? But please, rest is important. Listen to your body. If you are stoning in front of your computer, that means you're tired. You don't force yourself to keep working. You're actually going to waste more hours. Now I used to do this thing that what you're doing, lah. Then what happened in my fourth year honors year, right? Hospitalized 3 times. It's not a good thing. Then after hospitalized 3 times, I tell you, I come out. I don't have the same physical energy to work overnight like what you are doing. So please take care. But one of the things I learned after I got hospitalized is this. Actually, I always tell myself, if I sleep less, I can do more work. Actually, after hospitalization, I cannot do overnight, right? Then what happened? Hey, actually, I just sleep normally, I still can get the work done. Yeah, in fact, faster. Right, because your mind is fresh, you're more alert. Yeah? So that is very important. So don't torture yourself, lah. And it's very important also. The habits that you develop now, good habits, bad habits, these are habits that will continue with you on into the future. So you must be very attentive to the habits that you're forming. If you are the kind that always wait until last minute, always work after 1 a.m., 2 a.m., don't do this. These things is going to affect you after you graduate and when you go out to work. So start instilling good habits with yourself. Okay, next one. My family has been going through some problems, so I wonder how do people work on their own goals and reach new heights when they face difficult problems in the family. Okay. Now, why I chose this comment? Because I know many of you also have a lot of family issues. It's okay to have family issues. Don't be. I talk to some students and they feel like, oh, whatever problems I have to keep quiet. It's not professional to say. No. If you have a problem, you have a problem, okay? Please don't bottle up and try to show, oh, I am a hero, I'm very strong. Eventually, the burden, the weight will crush you. So talk to your friends, seek help, come and if you need to, if you want to, can talk to me. It's very important. Don't struggle alone. It's very because if you're going through a hard time, we are very understanding people. So don't stress over this, okay? I feel myself drowning in general from the combination of school and personal life frustrations. Just need time to figure it out, I guess. Yes, we are all drowning in the sea of anxiety, in the sea of schoolwork and all that. But I guess part and parcel of growing up. Somehow the older you get, the more drama there is in your life. What to do? But like I say, your comment is not the only one. We're all in this together. That's why I'm telling you all this. Why? Because I want you to recognize that you're not alone, you're not struggling alone, that there are many others around you, okay, in NUS, in FASS, who are going through what you are going through, okay? So we share a common humanity, we share this common experience of hardship. So support one another, starting with your group mates, your classmates, okay, whoever you can reach out to, check in on them, and I'm pretty sure you all can bond over this difficult moments. That's where we really forge good friendships. Please support one another, yeah, okay, and whatever anxieties that you have, I understand, but what's important is try your best. Don't cave into your anxiety or insecurity. That is how you make things worse for yourself. Yeah, just enjoy. Like as the Beatles themselves, not the insect. As the Beatles like to say, "Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be." Yeah. So we just let it off. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so please take good care of yourself, and just to encourage and spur you on, I have on the fly composed this song for you. So please enjoy, and I wish you all the best in the next couple of days and weeks. So 加油 for the group project.
When I was a student, I feel like I'm drowning in the ocean of my anxiety. Have courage, don't give up. Here's a song that I am singing to cheer you on this cause. We'll carry on, we'll carry on. And though we're dead inside, believe me, you must take care and carry on. We'll carry on. And though we're tired and defeated, we'll laugh at life and carry